How to use Uber driver app in Australia. Download the Uber driver app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store and install it on your smartphone. Open the app and create an account or log in if you already have one, providing your personal details and uploading necessary documents as required in Australia. Set up your profile by adding your profile, photo, and payment details for receiving earnings. Select your preferred navigation app in the settings such as Uber's built-in navigation or a third-party app like Google Maps or Waze. When ready to work, open the app and tap the blue Go button to go online and start receiving ride requests. Accept or decline ride requests within the 15-second window by tapping the info box or the decline button as needed. Use the navigation function to pick up your passenger, verify their name, and start the trip by sliding the trip button. Follow the navigation to the drop-off location, then slide the complete trip button and rate your rider at the end of the trip. To pause or end your shift, tap the button bar and select Go Offline. Monitor your earnings, ratings, and messages in the app and use the help section if you encounter any problems or need assistance. Subscribe.